Hi friends, in this video I'm just going to explain how to reduce the noise or how to eliminate the noise when you're recording something or when you're doing live streaming on OBS Studio. Sometimes, right, when you're recording your screen or when you're recording yourself or when you're live streaming, surroundings might be having some noise. On OBS Studio, we can easily suppress the noise while recording. So I'm going to show that. On this OBS Studio, I have added this cam device and I am capturing this game. And here, right, on this mic sections, you need to tap on the settings and the mic. Choose your mic here under properties. So select your mic here. I am selecting this headset microphone. Okay. So even if I am not talking, right, so the sound, some noise are coming. So I'm going to eliminate this. So verify this now. For that, go to filters, tap the settings and go to filters. And here, right, I need to add this. Click on this add button. And here noise suppression. So add this, you can name it whatever you want. So just click on this OK. That's it. Now close. Check this now. If I am not talking, right, there will be no noise. Just I'm stop talking. Hi. If I am talking only, the voice will be recorded. All this noise will be cancelled. Once you completed your recording, you can check the output. There will be no noise. Definitely 99% will be eliminated. I mean, noise will be suppressed. So that's it friends, this is the way you can add noise suppressions to mic on OBS Studio. Also, you can add whatever the mics you have added. For example, in this cam device, right, I have mic. So if I want to enable it, right, so just go to this properties, filters. And already I have added noise suppressions. I'm deleting it. So I'm going to add one more time, noise suppressions. So that's it friends. So there will not be any noise even if I'm not talking. See this? So noise are eliminated. So that's it friends. This is the way you can add noise suppressions to all mic devices. That's it friends. Thank you so much for watching. Please provide comments and feedbacks in my video forms. Thank you. Bye friends and take care.